When you delete a photo on your Android tablet, it does not instantly get destroyed, and you can usually restore the deleted photos in case you deleted something by accident. I'll show you how to do this in Google Photos and in the Samsung Gallery app. Most tablets will have the same feature, but depending what app you use for photos, the buttons might look different. So, let's say I'm in Google Photos, and this fella right here gets accidentally deleted. It's now gone from my photos and not visible anymore, but we can restore and bring it back if needed. First, we'll navigate to Trash, which on my tablet is here in the bottom left corner. Anything you delete will go to trash first, and from there, everything gets automatically cleared either after 30 days or 60 days, depending if your items were backed up or not. I can choose any photo here, and then manually either delete it forever or restore it. When I restore a photo, it goes right back into my photo gallery. If you're using the Samsung Gallery app, the steps are pretty much the same. I'll pick a photo and delete it from my gallery. Once again, gone from the gallery, nowhere to be seen, but it's actually not fully gone yet. Once again, we'll want to navigate to the trash and find our photo there. In the Samsung Gallery app, I'll scroll down where the folders are, and all the way on the bottom, I can see my trash. And just like in Google Photos, I can pick a photo or multiple photos and delete them forever or restore them back into my photo gallery. And that's how you restore deleted photos on your Android tablet. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this.